Good afternoon. It is August 16th. It is noon. This will be the noon report. We had a 3.2 earthquake 4 kilometers northwest of the Geyser, California. It was 2.1 kilometers deep. We had a 4.5 western Chile rise. We had a 4.7 54 kilometers off the Malawi Brim. We had a 4.2 depth, 30 kilometers, and next to the volcano that went off with a 6.6. So that would be an aftershock. We've got a 3.6 near the coast of Ecuador. That's all I have right now, guys. The 3.2, that's a little worrisome near in California. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching.